Hello friends, welcome to SMA Vlog. I'm Shahid. Today in this video I'm going to show how you can make very easily a game which will help you to practice your concentration. In this video I'm going to show how you can make this mind concentration game very easily with whatever ingredients you have at home. So let's be with me and I will show everything right now in this video. So let's go. To make this game, you don't need to have any specific items. You can use whatever scrap items you have at your home. So basically I took a piece of wood. It's a wood that is came out of any broken furniture. It's just a piece of plywood or wood. You can take anything. Next I took some screws, different sizes of screws, whatever I found in my store, and I am going to use two of these batteries, AA batteries, two of these batteries, and I found a broken searchlight and I'm going to use the only the bulb portion of it to make this game. Now, sitting at home during this pandemic situation, you sometimes may become bored at home. Not only that, sometimes as we are not working at this point, if you have something to concentrate, to use your mind to concentrate or focus somewhere for maybe 2 minutes or 1 minute or very small amount of time. If you have something to concentrate, that will help you to refresh your mind. That's the main idea today, where I'm going to make a special game where you can use your mind to concentrate somewhere. To make this game, first of all, we need a piece of wood. In this piece of wood, I already pointed some points with the pencil or marker, anything you can use. So after pointing out, I'm going to put some screws here. So let's go. I put a screw in the middle and I just connected a wire with this screw and I tied it up and put the wire here. I just put couple of screws here, and after that I put 3 screws here just to hold this light here, and after that I put a screw in the center to connect the connection with this light. You can use any kind of light bulb or any kind of light bulb that will work with a AA battery. And basically I found this broken searchlight at home, so I'm using this light bulb of this searchlight. So I just put this cable and I'm going to put a little bit of tape on top of it. I took few cables here. These are scrap cables. You can use any kind of cable here. And now I need a connection. This yellow cable will work as a negative connection for this light. I took a big cable. It's a big cable without any insulation. So I connected a cable here, the final cable, and I'm going to connect this cable. This is a wrench that came into a furniture that I bought from IKEA. So I'm going to use this wrench here. So I'm going to connect this cable at the end of this wrench. I'm putting this wrench inside. that's it, guys. This is what I was trying to make. This is called a mind game. Basically, I was thinking this morning what a person can use which will help him to improve its mental condition or concentration. So this is a ideal game to concentrate on. The idea is you have to take this wrench in a way so that it shouldn't touch the wire. If it touches the wire, the light will be on and you are out of the game. Now I am starting. Touched it, so I'll try another time. So basically this is the whole idea about this game. This cable is very thin and I put very small. If you want to make it very complicated, you can put hard wire and you can make a big zigzag here, so you can put more concentration here and you can pass the whole challenge. So however, this is a nice game. I used to see this game in the TV when I was a kid. This is wonderful and I'm gonna play this again and again to improve my focus and improve my concentration. Thank you so much for being with me and watching this, how you can make this game. If you like this video and if you think this video is helpful and informative, please like the video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button and also click the small bell icon so that it will notify you when I upload my next video. So till then, have fun and have good time. Bye bye.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna attempt this challenge now. I am not gonna do as well as my dad did, but whatever. I'll have 3 tries. Oh, last